Hi, welcome to Al Jannat Kashmir Abshar. It's situated in Kashmir. Kashmir is the province of Pakistan. It's a very beautiful thing. Some people are enjoying and they are bathing. Very, very amazing situation is going here. And the dry Neelum is also situated near. You can see that. It's a very amazing. And some people are also enjoying here. You can see that this is a natural. And you can see that some people, I think it's a not the government, it's a natural thing and very amazing thing. You can understand that Pakistan is a very beautiful country, very amazing country. If anybody used to come here and they make a enjoy and they make a visit in Pakistan, so I think so he will be happy and he will be enjoy. Okay, I wanna say enjoy the natural area.
This river, big mountain, falling water. I don't have any word to explain this natural beauty. Wow, amazing. Pakistani Kashmiri mountain. I think it may be 5,000, 6,000, 7,000, maybe high at the sea level. It's a chairlift. It's a used as a riding and carry some passenger from one bank to other bank. It's a bring enjoyable movement for some passengers who come from different countries, different cities, different area. Guess now I am enjoying on the chair left. Very amazing.
Now I am taking tea. This moment is very amazing moment. I am enjoying. You can see that this scene, this water and this river. You can see some people are swimming here and this area is situated in between the mountains. You can see there's a big mountains and I am taking a tea. It's a very amazing situation is going on here. I became very happy. If anybody wants to come here,
This water comes from hills, mountains and fell into the river. Lot of people are enjoying with family. They are making a selfie and they are enjoying. When this water passing through, it's bring some happy for some people. So during some taking tea, taking other kind of different kind of things, or during eating food. This is a university, lies in between some hills. Okay guys, in next videos I'll bring very amazing video, very interesting video for you. Thank you.